Hey y'all, let's go take a walk down to a really cool place called Chamberlain Creek Falls. Check it out. Waterfall Grove in the Jackson Demonstration State Forest. I love going down here to this walk. Super beautiful. Chamberlain Creek Waterfall Trail. You can hear the waterfall if you listen. She's going pretty good today. Last time I was down here was during the summer, and you really couldn't hear her that good. There was barely a trickle of water coming. Not much going on. Pretty nice steps. I don't know if you could really make it down here with a stroller. Might be a little difficult. Ooh, I can hear that waterfall getting closer and closer. I'm excited. Are you excited? This is going to be cool. I wonder what it's going to look like today. So Jackson Demonstration Forest is a really massive forest in the coastal range in Mendocino County. They do a lot of work out there looking at tree ecology, how things survive, how things make it through, what other kinds of fire science and study. I'll check out so those are turkey tails that are growing on the end of the oak stump here, Trimedes versicolor. Those are kind of cool. I can hear that waterfall. Let's not get too distracted. I love walking through the forest though. It's so pretty and green. And it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. So the sunlight is waning down a little bit. Ooh, I hear it. Can you hear it? Listen. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good today. Let's see here. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of big old, huge redwood trees that came down here. I wonder if they're gonna impact the trail. Goodness gracious. We'll switch back here. Check out that cool big rock. Super steep switchback trail again. I don't know if I'd really come down here with a stroller. You might want to come with your little ones holding their hand or making sure that they're past the fall zone because it's a little cliffy. That rock is super cool, super beautiful. And again, look at the big redwood trees that have fallen down over there, hanging on the cliff. All right, here we go. Gonna keep on keeping on. Another little switchback up here coming up, I can see in the rocks. Oh, they got some more steps in here. Nice. All right, steps. Steps. Those are pretty nice steps. Can you hear it? We're getting closer. Oh yeah, we're going to intersect some of these fallen trees here. There's one that they got out of the way. Ooh, she's a biggie. We're going to go right underneath her. She be a biggie. They used to have one like this at Montgomery Woods, but they recently took it out. I love walking underneath a redwood tree. Check it out. There we go. She's massive. Freaking massive. Beautiful. All right. Coming down. Oh, here's another one. Look at this beauty. They carved a set of stairs out of her. She was so big. And she's so low to the ground, she's not going to be able to have a tunnel under her. So here we go. All right. Oh, can you hear it? We're getting really, really, really close now. Really, really close. Again, this is the Chamberlain Creek Waterfall Trail, Mendocino County, California, in the Jackson Demonstration State Forest. Don't you love the colors in the redwood forest? Like, look at these colors, the greens and the reddish brown. It's so vibrant and pure. Just love those colors. Oh, look at these two big beasts. Alley-oop. Doing the redwood tree limbo. Oh my God, look at. I think that it was definitely worth the trip down here. That is Trillium. Trillium takes 8 years to flower, so that's a pretty special thing to see right here. And there's no other, if you look around, no other Trillium flowers. So I get this beautiful Trillium flower right here at the bottom of the fall. Good Lord. Oh, this is too much. Mother Nature is beautiful. Creation is incredible. And I cannot even. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's the Eric Swanson Memorial Grove right here around the waterfall. So stinking pretty. Look at that. Should we walk up really close and under it? Sure, let's go over there. Let's see what we can do. Crawling under this log. Hang on a second. Woo! Got my shoes all wet. That's pretty cool. So here we are down at the bottom of the Chamberlain Creek Waterfall. And it was a really beautiful little hike down the canyon through the grove. And I hope that everybody has an awesome day. Take the time to smell the roses, look at the flowers and waterfalls. Let's come back over here. Gotta climb back over the log. Okay. Let's see, we'll go back up to the top a little bit more. Look at that stump, look how pretty. Super stinking cool. Again, Chamberlain Creek Waterfall Trail, Jackson Demonstration State Forest. Mendocino County, California.